OnePunch Algo channel. Let's do a market recap for today, June 9, 2025. As you guys know that I post the golden lines in my Discord channel every day, right around 9:30. And you can basically click these links and grab these charts, and once those charts are done, you can see the price fluctuates between these lines. So let's review how to take trades based on these lines. Alright, so normally every day I do have 3 of these stocks indexes in one 3 charts separately. So SPX, SPY, and then QQQ. Most of you guys know who are following me and in the Discord that I do have a wave theory which I trade each session. So the first wave is from 9:30 to 11. Let's double check how it did. If you are new to my channel, thank you for joining and listen to me. If you want to learn about more, just go here and then learn golden line educational channel, and then also there's tag group findings. Just read them all these things are really beneficial to learn how to trade these waves and these lines. So let's get started. Alright, so at about 9:36 when the market opened, it went down, and then this line here is, we call it bronze line, and all of the stocks, all of these 3 does have it, and you can see it touched the bronze line a couple of times, actually 3 times on SPX, and then QQQ it touched like 3 times. 2 of them crossover, but the third one was perfect. On the SPY there was 4 touches, and the last touch, this one was quite okay, but the thing with SPY, it did had the bottom hit, which is from the OnePunch Algo Scalper, which is also one of my indicators. So while hitting these line touches, you can see its touch was below 20 all the way on all of them except the QQQ. It was right around 9:32. That's when this touch came down, and then in this area MACD is on red zone. Similarly, this one also red zone, and here also red zone. You can see SPX red zone as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars, but this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one has 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 4, it's kind of a stretch. For those who doesn't know, the entries are taken as orders. So that means the line touch based on the direction of the price of the line, we prepare for puts or calls. So this one, the price came from upwards and then touch the line which is on the bottom of the price, so the preparation should be for calls. So now the first entry confirmation was that, and then the second entry confirmation on the order is the touch needs to be below 20, which is also right here, right? So this one right, this one right, and then let's just mark this one right, this one right, and then this area needs to be in red zone to get calls. So only caveat is this light bar or any of these light areas, you can basically get puts or calls based on the first and second entry confirmations. But in this case, if we were going from the order, this one confirm, this one confirm, and this one is also confirmed for call. So from this touch here, at about this jump. That's about 22% increase on the same strike, and then one 0 day expiration options, and then one strike from there as well out of money is also did 22, and then two did 24, something like that. So if you check today's data, you can see this confirming. And then if you see the bottom hit also confirm the reversal. I did have the VAP and the SMA. I did had a video that talks about those separately on how to use those to enter and then trail stop losses and take profits. So just go and check my YouTube channel. It does have those information. Alright, so from here to there, that's about 50% increase. The bronze line above this here, from this bronze to that bronze, was actually about 50%, even though it didn't completely touch. But then again, if you continue to check all three together, you see QQQ did make a touch on the silver line. So I didn't explain these lines. If you are new, please watch my videos. It does explain all these lines, and in my channel it also explains what these lines are. I'll go back to good finding and then just see it explains what are these gold lines, silver lines, white lines, bronze and blue lines. Alright, so assuming you know that, I will continue here. So now the price comes from bottom and touch the line which is on the top, so that basically means the price is bottom of the line touch, right? So that is preparation for puts. So let's see, because silver line was touched on QQQ but not the others, not much perfectly, but we will see how the this confirmation, line touch confirmation, is right, but you don't have the touch above 80 for that. It was there, but it was before in this area, so it's not a good confirmation. So this one cancel, so the trade cancel, so we cannot take any trades on this line. So on the first wave, there's one chance we had today that could have taken 50%, or even if you trade, could have done like 20 or 15 if the trade was correct. So yeah, so that's wave 1, and then we have wave 5. Wave 5, the thing is with today we didn't had a good wave. So did I say wave 5? No, it is wave 2, and the 5 minutes. So the wave 2 is traded with 5 minutes. So let's see if there is any confirmation for the 5 minute. Okay, so QQQ does have one. So then after SPX did had one in normal trading area, which means I normally don't trade this area, but like 250, 55 I do start trading, but not before that, because it just decays fast and premiums are decaying, and it's just a boring area to trade unless there is a volume. Anyway, so SPX didn't have any areas that are touching any lines, and these were touched, but we can't take them as calls option because the touch was above it. If it was like something like this, then this touch would have been a good call. Alright, so let's check the other one. So okay, so there are 3 touches in this area. So while it is 3 touches, it also kind of had a couple of touches like resistance from the previous high, but doesn't need to worry about that. Wait, what happened to this, the line that I had here? Yeah, so the silver line here was touched a couple of times, 1, 2, 3 in 5 minutes. So let's review that closely. Let me take this one like that. So this touch here, normally what happens, a perfect touch is when the price comes up, and if it cross over and form a wick, it's fine until the price comes back down and close below the line. And then as soon as it closes below the line, next opening has to it's going to be the same price, right? So this one is close is 32.11, this one open is also 32.11, 532.11, right? So same price. So it did had a small wick, which is height of 532.12, and then retrace and cross over from the open. That is the perfect put entry. And then this area here also one more entry, but the thing is that's a stop loss hunt that happened there. So just have to be careful with those kind of stop loss hunting. But the order was, this one was perfect. Stoch is above 80, and then the MACD is also had 1, 2, 3, 4 good amount of red green candles, and any of these candles are okay to get puts right now. Alright, so it did went down and touched the bronze line from here to there. Again, if we see if there's any calls opportunity, there wasn't any. The Stoch was not ready for calls here, even though the MACD has the shaded green. When it is shaded, you can buy either puts or calls if the Stoch supports and the lines are fine. So and now let's go. So let's see, we had two opportunities. First one, this one, second this, and then third was here. While normally third wave is done using 10 minutes for the highest, you can trail using 10 minutes properly and get the highest profit that is available for that wave. So if you see on the 10 minutes though, you don't have the Stoch closer, but the line did touch. So what I do, if the volume is not that great, I do go back to 5 minutes and also 2 minutes to just double check if things are okay and if there is any opportunity. So 2 minutes also has some opportunity. It did have Stoch above 80, and then 5 minutes kind of had the Stoch. This one, yeah, Stoch is above 80. So that confirms puts, and this area MACD, it is in gray shaded, shaded red. So that also gives the opportunity for us to get puts, because you don't see MACD going from dark red to dark green to dark red. It goes from it can go from dark red and then shaded or light red, and then it can become again dark red. So that's what happened here. So it became strength increased on the direction, the bearish direction. So think from here there was about 90% like profit opportunity, and then the last like last 3 or 4 minutes, this bronze touch, if you check with 2 minutes, this bronze touch also did 90% on those clicks. This one actually we do have a scalper, actually cracker, SPX cracker signal that does hit the last. It was actually built for the last 10 minutes to figure out the direction, so it did capture all those directions properly. So this one around 355 for SPY ports, this one SPX ports. This did kind of about 500% on that signal. So we do have those tools as well to support all these information to basically take trades properly. So there are the 3 great trades today, but it was a patient game. Normally I would be able to do at least 3 trades on the first wave, at least 2 on the second wave, and then probably 1 or 2 on the third wave as well. So but today it wasn't like that. I did scalp a lot on some areas, but it wasn't perfect. It's like 5-7%, 10%, but I did took this one. I sold around this blue line touch from here to here. I did took this one, I did took this one. That's pretty much it for me today. Alright, so just subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not. Like this video, that gives me the idea that you guys want me to create these kind of videos every day if you need market recaps for options that we are doing. Alright, thank you very much.